Sejin here! Just when things were getting a bit boring in the world of AI generative video, Sam Altman decides to drop the mother of all AI news, Sora. Sora is a groundbreaking text-to-video AI model by OpenAI that uses a fusion of different generative models to create an immersive video experience with highly detailed scenes along with complex camera movements with multiple characters, all with their own emotions. And what's the most amazing part of Sora? It can create up to a 1 minute long video. I gathered some of the best Sora generated videos for you to see. Literally, Sora blows all of his competitions out of the water. So the big question is, how can I test it? Currently, red teamers have access in order to assess critical areas for harms or risks. Also, a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers have access in order to get feedback. As for the rest of us, we'll have to sit back and wait. And I'll be sure to update you, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.